and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I would appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button below so you can be part of the Obsession family. And also do follow me on Instagram so we can interact more and talk more about bags and other luxury brands. For today's video, I have a first impressions slash a little bit of comparison between two bags for you. So the bag that I will be featuring today is this one right here. This is actually my sister's, and this is the Clapton bag and the damier ebene print with the black leather trimmings. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I have a couple of notes here from my sister. I did talk to her, and actually I tried to include her in this video, but she's really camera shy and she didn't want to show her face or even talk on camera, so I will be doing the first impressions for her. So this is the Clapton bag. This is a fairly newly released item. So it only comes in the damier ebene print, and it has 3 colors that you can choose from. So you have the black one and also the magnolia and the raisin color. So just to give you an overview, this is how the front looks like. You have a gold lock right here, which is very reminiscent of the trunks. And the back side, you have a slip pocket right there. And this particular color combination comes with a saffron or yellow microfiber lining. The raisin comes in a gray microfiber lining. I'm not sure with the magnolia though, because I wasn't able to look at that in the store. The back side looks like that. It has a very generous slip pocket in the back that goes along the length of the bag, and that is how the sides look like. And the bottom, it has 4 feet. Now notice that it has D-rings on both sides, but the D-ring on the right side attaches to the first compartment right here, while on the other side it attaches on the back compartment right there. This is how the lock opens. You just have to push it like that and it opens like so. That's just how it looks like. It has 2 compartments right there and a zippered compartment in the middle, and you also have 2 cell phone pockets at the back. So notice that the first compartment, which is this part right here, is substantially bigger compared to the one at the back. So it is very similar to the Pochette Metis actually, because the Pochette Metis has 3 compartments and the one at the back is the thinnest compartment, which I have right here. So just a quick comparison between the 2 bags. It looks like that on the side and on the bottom. So first things first, you can notice that the Clapton bag has 4 feet while the Pochette Metis doesn't have one. And the Pochette Metis has the top handle right there, while the Clapton doesn't have one. So this one just comes with a crossbody strap, which looks like this. Whichever color you get, you will get the strap in the same color of the flap. So this is how the strap looks like. It has 2 hooks on both ends, which has a Louis Vuitton engraving right there. And this is an adjustable strap. It has 5 holes that you can adjust according to your height and your preference. So these 2 bags are very similar in terms of the size and also the compartments and the build and how you can carry it. It also has both pockets at the back right there, except that the Pochette Metis has a zipper to close the back pocket, whereas this one just has a slip pocket right there. I would also like to give you a close-up of how their locks differ. So this one has the S-lock, and this one, I don't know what the name of the lock is, but it reminds me of the trunks. And on the inside, so this is the comparison of the interior of both bags. The Pochette Metis just has 3 open compartments, while this one has 2 open compartments and 1 zippered compartment in the middle. So I have a couple of things here that I wanted to show you if it can fit in the Clapton bag, because some of you may own these items and are wondering if they are or if they can fit inside this bag. So I have here the iPad mini. This is the first generation iPad, and this one fits in the back pocket right there very comfortably. And for the phone, I only have the Samsung Note 4. This is actually very similar to the iPhone Plus sizes, so this one fits in the back pocket comfortably as well. But my sister doesn't really use this back pocket right here because she doesn't want it to stretch out, which actually happened to my Emily wallet right here. Mind you, I just use the slots. I just put 1 card in each slot. I don't really double up, but this happened right here. So she doesn't really use this pocket to preserve its shape. On the inside, the iPad mini also fits. It fits in the front compartment right here and also in the back compartment right there. So for the SLGs, the Emily wallet, or if you have a similar full-size wallet, it can also fit in this bag comfortably on the first compartment and also in the back compartment right there. But since the bag is in the small side, I would suggest that you use a smaller wallet. So my sister has the zippy coin purse right here. It fits comfortably inside. I also have the Vuitton wallet. This is in the upfront leather in the marine rouge color, and it also fits inside comfortably. I don't know if it will fit here. Oh, this is the care card that the bag comes with. Let's see if this one fits on the zippered compartment. Yes, it does fit. And also the zippy coin purse fits in the zippered compartment right there, and you can easily close it without any problems whatsoever. If you ever use this bag, use a smaller wallet so you can maximize the space. Toiletry pouch 15, which I'm currently using right now. So this one fits in the front compartment as well, but as you can see, you have some small space left. And on the back side right here, you can force it, but it's quite snug unless you put it in upside down like that. And again, you still have some space left for a couple of lipsticks maybe. Mini pochette, this is in the Azure. Invasion, this is not the Invasion. Transatlantic, yeah. So this is the Transatlantic mini pochette, and it does fit comfortably in the bag as well, both in the front and in the back part right there. So the other item is this one. This is the PM agenda from Louis Vuitton as well, and you may have this and bring this every day with you, or you may have a notebook that is the same size. It does fit in this bag without any problems at all, both in the front and in the back compartment right there. You can also fit it standing up. Just so happens that I have a clip that is protruding, but it does fit in this bag as well. Alright, so now that I was able to show you what can fit inside this bag, I will move on to the notes from my sister. Let's do first the cons. So the first con that she was able to notice is that the canvas, like the Damier Event print canvas, is slightly lighter colored compared to the old ones. So here I have my Emily wallet. I think this was from 2013 or 2014. And just to show you the comparison, I do think that they are slightly different. Maybe in the lighter colored boxes right there, you can see it. The Clapton one has like a more yellowish color compared to the old one that has less yellow tints in it. I don't know if you can see that, but in person it does look like it has slightly difference in color. The other con that she mentioned was that since it has a light colored interior, it may show up dirt compared to the darker colored interiors which the Pochette Metis has. So this one has the yellow interior, and she's quite wary that it will show up dirt over time and may show up wear more compared to the darker colored interior bags. So those are just the two cons that she was able to share with me, because she really loves this bag. She thinks that this is the most like perfect, or her most favorite bag out of all her collection, just because she doesn't have much negative to say about it. So let us move on to the pros. So the first pro that she mentioned was that it is very easy to open. So you just push it in this part right here and just lift up the bag, the flap, and it opens like so. It is very easy to close as well. You just have to push it down like that, and it is very secure. So the next pro is that it has a comfortable strap. It is very soft and it will conform to your shoulders easily. She has used this bag the whole day with this strap, both carried as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag, and she said that the strap doesn't really dig into her shoulders even if she has the bag full. And yeah, because of that, it is a definite pro for her. Her next pro is that it fits all her essentials. So I was able to demonstrate that earlier in this video. This does fit a full-sized wallet, a mini iPad, a mini pochette, or a toiletry 15, and all your other essentials and makeup items. Her next pro is that this bag is perfect for both casual and date night settings. So she was able to use this bag when we had our birthday dinner in a hotel, and it went very well with her outfit. So it is perfect for when you want to dress up or dress down. So I asked my sister if the 4 feet is a pro or if it does anything, and she told me that yes, it is definitely a pro, because even though the canvas on Louis Vuitton items are very hard wearing, it is still a plus that you have additional protection at the bottom right there. Plus, because of the feet, it does stand on its own when you put it on a table. So stay tuned at the end of this video, guys, and we'll also do modeling shots for this bag. And yeah, so that is it. That is the first impressions review and comparison of the Clapton bag from the Pochette Metis. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and again, if you're new to my channel, please do click the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram at Personal Obsession. Have a great day, guys, and take care. Bye!